Happy Saturday, everyone, especially someone who has to wait 126 days to get here. Mirador de la Paz, with amazing view to Playa de Martianes. Must-see viewpoint in Puerto Cruz. I never have enough of this view. Agatha Christie family's house. And this is Agatha Christie Street. These days it's like this morning, cloudy, and then it's beautiful during the day. And this is tribute to Agatha Christie. She was here in 1927, and it says her stay here was inspiration for her novel The Mysterious Mr. Queen. Wow. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. There's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.